Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Fuel Your Body Chicken Shawarma. I'm excited to try this one out, and it smells amazing. That's it there. Whew, I want to eat this so bad. And in this, it has 405 calories, 36 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbohydrates, and only 9 grams of fat. The ingredients being chicken, rice, vermicelli, saffron, red cabbage / onion slaw, tomatoes, cilantro, garlic sauce, olive oil, seasoning. Macadamia nuts, gluten-free, and contains dairy. So I heated this up for about 1.5 minutes in the microwave, and oh, it smells absolutely delicious. I love Fuel Your Body meals, and I'm always excited when they release new ones because they always end up being amazing. It's something new for me to try. So, got some tomato, cabbage slaw, rice, and cilantro over here. I love cilantro. I'm just gonna get right into it. Really good. The chicken has a lot of seasoning on it. It's like the strongest thing in it. It kind of spreads to the rice and the veggies as well, as you can kind of taste the chicken or the seasoning on the chicken in all this when you put it all together. I like this combination. I'm trying to break up the chicken because it's big chunks, and I foolishly didn't bring a knife to this. But here we go. So good. So good. Anything with cilantro is always a win with me. This is a new combination of veggies I haven't had on a meal from Fuel Your Body before. Red cabbage slaw is really good. I'm not normally a coleslaw fan, but I think they did it perfectly in this. Incredibly flavorful chicken, and dang, everything in this is just so good. Amazing. Yeah, the seasoning on the chicken gives most of the flavor to this meal, but then also has like some different vegetables and some yellow stuff in the rice too. I think it's also some seasoning, but everything all combines together. I love cilantro, so this is just a great meal for me because it has all my favorites all in here. Well, this is good. I'll cut it off there for eating it because I could probably eat this whole thing before I give the review, but I would give this like a solid 9 out of 10. It's a really good flavored chicken. It's got veggies in there that all blend together very nicely, and the cilantro being one of my favorite additions to something like this. It all comes together nicely, so absolutely perfect. So you can buy Fuel Your Body meals in Prince Edward Island and New Brunswick, available at a few different drop-off locations. You can also sign up to get their meal delivery service and get like regular deliveries of their meals. You can check that out at EatFYB.ca or check them out on Instagram at EatFYB, as listed on there. They also have Facebook too, so you can check them out on Facebook. But dang, so good. This one also comes with a garlic sauce I didn't get to use because I was so obsessed with trying this out that I completely forgot, but it has that too, and their sauce is amazing. So definitely go try this out. It's delicious and nutritious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.